In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can get Gamestop promo code. So follow the step which I'm going to show you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, hit that subscribe to our channel for future promo code related videos just like this. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to this website called Coupon Follow. So search for Coupon Follow and the first link, click on it. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to its official page, which is Coupon Follow. Once you're over here at the top versus search, you want to search for Gamestop and it's going to show you gamestop.com at the bottom. You want to click on it and then it's going to show you all the promo codes available for Gamestop. So from all these options, choose the one which you like. Let's say I like this 10% off one plus free shipping. I can click on show coupon code and it's going to show me the coupon code. Now I can just copy it and on Gamestop's website when I'm going to check out, I can paste this code and get this promo code applied on Gamestop. So that's how you guys can find Gamestop promo code. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel one to step. I'll see you guys next time.